Payday advance loans are short-term loans that are available at a low interest rate to be used for emergency purposes. It is the borrowing of the money from the lenders for paying a bill or whatever urgent requirement. People usually take loans for emergencies to pay the dues that they have to pay on time and also to meet other daily expenses. Many of the people take the loans in order to make up for past dues that they have to pay as they already owe money to the lenders. In this case, the amount of money that has to be paid is the payday advance loans. But when you take the loan, it will be at a very high interest rate as the lenders require some collateral. The money you borrow must be lent with an assurance that the interest rate will not exceed the rate of the regular loans. Usually, the best rates are the low-interest loans with the facility to pay the amount back to the lender in a lump sum. Even when you pay the amount back, the interest rates are higher than those of regular loan. If you borrow the money at very low interest rate, it can really be beneficial for you as you can also save money on your regular income. Besides, you get money for a particular period, so the high rates of regular loans cannot disturb you. However, if you opt for these loans with the high interest rate, you will be saddled with heavy and costly repayments. This situation is not desirable at all. Therefore, when you want to avail of payday advance loans, always make sure that you look for the right lenders. Remember that finding the right lender is very essential in order to find the right interest rate. The lenders who deal in payday advance loans are mostly interested in lending money to people with bad credit history. Since the lenders do not require collateral as the initial condition for loan approval, the bad credit people may not be able to borrow the money at a low interest rate. Since the lenders do not give loans in case of bad credit history, they are not in a position to waive off the debt if you default in repaying the loan amount. On the other hand, the lenders who deal in payday advance loans may provide the loan on the basis of personal credit scores. Therefore, if you have a bad credit history, it will not be difficult for you to find the right lender. You should be able to ensure that you have a low interest rate if you want to borrow the money. Also, you should be able to opt for the loan at the right time. So, to avail of payday advance loans, always be sure that you have sufficient cash to meet the entire loan amount. When you borrow the money from the lenders at a low interest rate, it will be easier for you to pay it back on time as you can use the cash for a specific period. Therefore, the repayment schedule will not be disturbed. You should also ensure that you are eligible for the payday advance loans. Payday advance loans are considered as the best option for people who need money to meet their daily needs or for an emergency. Also, there are many loan providers who offer this loan at very low interest rate and you can get a loan at a small payment at the end of the term.